Grabe na kayo exhibition. Grabe na kayo exhibition. Hi, Stefan. Ay, Bobet.
Okay. So, rectangular. And then false duration. So, let's try same thing. And then let's try 10.
Oh.
Ay, nara, isa. May balik siya katong if naka-attach daan. Mani siya, guys. Di ba ganina pag on ako naka-attach sa daan, wa siya ni horizontal. Then karon ni attach siya ni horizontal na siya nag-error. Wait lang ha.
Screw na siya. Line up 1046.
Say hi, Yen. So let's try muscle twitch. So for this machine, guys, you would see an indicator na light. Okay? For this machine, you would see an indicator light. So meaning inig mo siga guys siya, the current is on. If mo off siya, the current is off. So walay current. So indication ni siya. And then time, since we're not going to use surges, so here na siya. Then for the time, let's have let's say 5 minutes. And then polarity switch, the anode is the red. And then we will try to increase the intensity. Okay pa. Na-tolerate pa.
Kahit ako mas informed sa intensity grab 1.
Okay, so you have muscle twitch, guys. Let's have try to okay, so you have muscle twitch. Okay. And then we will try to have tetanic, guys. So tetanic, off sa here, 0 sa here. Then adjust na lang ka for your pulse interval. So you can have, so that is 10, no? Okay. And then surges, let's try to have 4. Pero generally sa rehab, you will have to use 9. So let's have 4 lang sa amin. Okay. Okay. Sige. Wait. For this machine, guys. Okay, for this machine. Okay,
In 1 minute.
Okay, for this machine, you will have a control for the surges. So, imo ni siyang yan at
Surges.
Okay? And then, same thing lang, imuhang pulse interval and pulse duration, ikaw ni bahala. And then, surges, usually sa rehab, we are going to use 9. And then, for the sake of demonstration, we will have 4 lang. And then, the indicator light, okay, kana siya, bantayin ninyo siya if the light would be, listen sa first bibit, the indicator light, if this would go brighter, that's the time that you would have to increase intensity. Why? Because if the light, the indicator light is off, okay, nag-increase kasi yung intensity, inig-on sa current, kusog na kayo na siya dito sa yung patient. So, you will simultaneously increase when the light is very bright. Okay? So, kanang hihina yung light, the current is gradually decreasing. When the light is very bright, the current is gradually rising. Okay? So, kana. Okay. So, you would have to wait na mo bright ang light.
Wala siya yun. Hindi na ko siya makita.
Okay pa?
When ka mag-stop, miss?
Inig maka-achieve na kag-full contraction.
Nag-Joseph.
Katali.
Dili. Ato ra usa.
What? 3 minutes and I can see the
Sige, last.
the
Ano?
the third one is 20. This one is 4.
What's the first one?
So that is
This one?
Yeah.
What's the number?
1.
1.
Wala, pathologic.
Mas gano'n ka kamay na.
Oh, the ramen.
Ikaw na to? Hinay lang, hinay lang.
Miss, mo contract siya balik, miss. Uni, ano ng hundred? Ano lang class? Awas lang na yun. Fire na sa mga parada.
Kagubot ka.
At dili sakit.
Sufra naman siya. Sinana.
Raya mo, ask kung mo.
Sagon sa man.
Katong ako na ba?
Yan naman. Ano sa man?
Ang katong first mo to'y time sa contraction.
Kani? Kani? Kani?
Dili ka to.
Kani?
Dili ka na
Kani?
Kani.
Mag intervals ni siya.
Kani mo yung time sa contraction. Nga mo contraction nga. Kani mo interval nga mo rest.
Oo.
Okay? Then, let's, para ma-finish na to everything, guys, ang technique, before you will have practice, let's try to use a pen electrode for small muscles. Okay? Isay mo
Me?
volunteer, same? Base na ba?
I know. Binalang ko.
Ako, miss. Sasay butang, miss. Ay,
Minasher! Magang kag na.